All right, let's dive in. This explainer shows exactly how you can cash in on the latest 2026 AI updates.
So, how do you actually turn this wild AI landscape into real, cold, hard cash for your business today? Well, here's the crazy part. Enterprise-grade AI capabilities? Yeah, they literally cost exactly $0 right now. Even California's government just partnered with Anthropic to integrate Claude AI. Why? Just to help workers move way faster. And they scored a massive 50% discount. It just proves AI is now essential, cost-saving infrastructure for everyone.
Seriously, ditch those clunky $70 analytics subscriptions. Google's newly updated NotebookLM platform is totally free and way better.
Powered by Gemini 3.5, it creates a client data pipeline. It turns raw business numbers into actual gold. Unlike generic chatbots, NotebookLM grounds its answers strictly in your uploaded data. Then it exports real, editable, working files. You just upload raw data, ask targeted questions, and boom, instantly export professional deliverables that absolutely wow your clients. For example, you can map a local gym's ad spend directly to their revenue growth in literally seconds. Remember the real consultant mindset here. Clients are paying you for clarity and decisions, not just boring raw charts.
But never hand over generic outputs. Take 3 minutes to apply their custom brand colors, logos, and fonts first.
So how does this make money? Well, these polished insights quickly become high-value monthly retainers for local businesses. Like you could charge a local roofer a monthly retainer just to track and map their top-performing lead sources. The tools are completely free, but the insights, priceless. So what recurring revenue will you build with this today?